Good morning, everybody. Here we are at the Boss Mansion residence, and this is a lobby, pool, and fitness center tour. Unfortunately, the fitness center is still locked, but you can see they've got 3 cardio machines, some dumbbells. There's a small Nautilus type machine way over in the right corner, and some benches, and also a barbell with some weights on it. So small fitness center, but enough to get a workout. Here's another cardio machine out in the hallway. Next, we're going to go downstairs to the pool area and show you the beautiful pool that they have here. But first, let's show you the parking lot. So if you come here by car, there's plenty of room to park. Well, maybe not plenty, but there certainly is enough. There's 10 stories on this building, and you can see from my other videos, I was on the 9th floor and had a beautiful view of the other side of the building, looking over the entire city skyline of Bangkok. So now we're into the pool area right here. It's a very nicely done pool area. It's very comfortable to swim here. The water was nice and cool. It was actually surprisingly cool. And it was nice to cool off after walking around on the hot streets of Bangkok. And the fitness center is just above, right up there. And there's bathrooms over in the corner for you to use while you're swimming. And then right next door is the laundry area, which I did not use because I couldn't find any detergent in here. But these laundry machines are actually a better value than the laundromat I went to yesterday. Only 20 baht for that one, 30 for this one, and then 40 baht for the dryer. So I could have done laundry here for 60 baht total, including the dryer. They also have a water machine where you can fill up your water bottles for, it's usually 1 baht. I don't see the signage in English, but it's usually 1 baht or 2 bahts for a liter. Okay, so that's it for the pool and fitness room and laundry room. And then there's a car pull through here. And as we all know, this is called a porte-cochere from one of my earlier videos. And then last is the lobby and check-in desk. So the lobby first has a little foyer area here where you can sit and chat while you're waiting for your ride or for your other guests. And then the check-in desk is right through here. Not much in here, just more seating area. And then they've got a new Italian restaurant here, Volare Restaurant Pizzeria Taste of Italy, which I have not ordered yet, but it looks like they've got good food there. And that's it for the lobby area and front desk. We'll see you upstairs in the room tour next.